grow. You've asked a question on Inua Jamii, the challenges that are there. I want to agree, and I think I'll tie this question to the question that has been asked by Honorable Dawood and Honorable Mishi. I agree there is a problem with the cash transfer to the elderly. And when I asked about it, the answer that I was given is that the fund is not enough, so it cannot cut across all the over 70 years old. Not all of them are getting. So I'll be lobbying for more funding to ensure that these beneficiaries are able to get the stipend and ensure that they get on time, and also ensure that we clean up the database of these beneficiaries. We could be having ghost beneficiaries. We could be having the wrong people, the money going to the wrong hands. And I'm told some of the payments that are paid are usually paid through the bank, to ensure that if there are deaths in that population, the money is refunded back to the ministry and may be given to other beneficiaries. On that, I want to agree with you. I've been in Parliament. Every time you'd go to a function, the elderly will come and tell you, so and so is getting, and me, I'm not getting. There should be equity.